by 6, 1, but also 2 and 3. Okay? 7. 7 is divisible only by 7 and 1, so 7 is prime. Well, we only care about 1 through 6. So tally up again which ones are prime. So we've got 1, let's see, 1 is prime, 2 is prime, 3 is prime. We decided 4 is not prime, right? 4 is not prime. 5 is prime. 6 is not prime, we decided. Okay. So our probability of getting a prime number is 1, 2, 3, or 5. So we've got 4 possible outcomes of the event, and then out of a total equally likely number outcomes, 6 total choices on the dice. So out of our 6 total choices, we've got 4 out of 6, which gives us a simplified fraction of 2 out of 3. So our theoretical probability then is, yeah, sure, when we round this, we get 0.66666, right? So 0.6 repeating. Or we can write this as a percent. This is just 66%, right? Or 66.6 repeating if we wanted to be really, really thorough. Okay. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today in terms of the objectives. So for homework, the sub is going to pass out right now a worksheet for you. I'd like you to start with the worksheet. And on the worksheet, I want you to do, on the reteaching 1 through 6 side, I'd like you to do all of 1 through 13. And then on the other side, the practice 1-6 side, I'd like you just to do 1 through 6. And then in addition, I have some homework problems out of the book. And those are, give me 1 second. Pulling that up for you guys. Where do I have it? Okay, here we go. So the problems out of the book that I would like you to do, those are going to be on page 42, and I would like you to do, on page 42, number 1, and then number 7 and 11, and that's it tonight. So just numbers 1, 7, and 11 out of the book, and then the problems on the worksheet. So if you have any other questions, definitely ask the sub, but it should have been pretty self-explanatory. So again, here, I'll put this up here. The homework for tonight, oops, let's use a black pen. So the homework for tonight will be the worksheet, and on the worksheet, you need to do the practice side, and on the practice side, you're doing problems 1 through 6, and then on the reteach side, you're doing the whole thing. So on the reteach side, you're doing all of them. And then in the book on page 42, I would like you to do 1, 7, and 11. And those are, so objective 1 is the problem number 1, and then objective 2, you're doing problems 7 and 11. Okay? Alrighty guys, thank you so much for being good for the sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!